Do you need to cut it? Are you going to cut it with a key?
I'll cut it.
Okay.
Oh, that's Jake.
Is that Jake?
Yeah.
That's a pirate? Magnetic pretend play. Oh, look. That's a fireman. That's a fireman.
No, it's Jake.
There is a pirate hat in there. Yep, there's a pirate hat. Say thank you, Gazerix. Can you say it nice and loud? Thank you, Gazerix. You need a key. Get the key. You better say thanks, Lucy. Push it in there. Right here. Just like Mommy and Daddy do. There we go.
I'll open it.
Oh, you want to do it? Okay, say thanks, Rich.
So much.
Say thanks, Katie.
Okay.
Say thanks, Adam.
Hey, Adam.
Good job. All right. Here we go.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you're right. There is a pirate in there. Oh, we love Melissa and Doug. Look, what's that? Pirate hat. This is cool.
Open this.
Okay, say please.